sometimes even Morten Reithoff can run out of words. And that just happened a little bit because we are at Enfocus ESKO booth. We are taking a look into a future that is shared. And as Piet said to me, it is always with a risk that you share something because maybe it can't happen for technical reasons or commercial reasons or whatever. But I think it's good for people to understand that when you have a vision for the future, at least you have set a course for where you want to go in the future. So Piet, good to see you again. Can't help think about that, as you say, the risk that you do in this innovation lab is basically giving a lot of excitement to customers. Maybe even some competitors come in and see, oh, this is where things are going in the future. How much do you think this becomes part of the work of your, let's say, next couple of years?
It should. We really want this to happen. That's one thing. I mean, why develop a vision for the future if you're not going after that? I mean, a vision for the future should always be far enough away to not reach it, meaning that when you reach a couple of steps, you need to push your vision further so that you're constantly chasing it. But as you said, I really think it's a nice thing that we had the nerve or the guts to do this, share this with customers, so that they also know what to expect. They also know where we want to go and see if that fits their path as well.
Is this also because, I mean, if you see in tech industry, there is a tendency, if you see the Elon Musk's kind of companies, right? They share also their visions for the future because it also drives investments. It also can also keep customers back from investing in competitors because, oh, we want to be part of this future. Is that also part of your speculations here, or?
I don't think that's the main driver. It's always important, of course, but we just wanted to share excitement. I mean, there's what we want to do as Enfocus is how can we help printers to become more effective, just in short. And I think it's our duty to explore any new technology that comes around in order to add that to our products and make it even better for our customers, right?
We're going to see a demo that you just showed me, which is very simple because this is actually how you can use a combination of AI, great user interface, and switch as a backend to handle a simple order process of a flyer. Maybe you can just walk through.
It's not reinventing the wheel. I mean, we've been using automation tools. We've been developing automation tools for 20 years, of course. And we have a cloud platform now to which we have already launched a new product last year with Review. So our vision is an online storefront where you just have to upload a file and just add some details, order details, just in a comment field. While in the same platform, when the job comes in, you've got the AI assistant that can detect where the file comes from. For this example, Canva.
And when you say Canva, that's an example of like that. When you have all these online platforms, you basically know what kind of errors or
in the PDF metadata, and we know what to expect. Yes, that's right. And we can automatically fix that as well. So that's pit stop. That's just an AI. This is an AI detecting which action list to use. Action list is technology that we already have. This is the same for Switch. Like if the AI then detects like, okay, I've got in the comment field, I received all of these details. I mean, that's data, but it's unstructured. And then we can leverage AI to turn that into structured data to put in an MIS. And that's Switch in the background. We've done that for years and years and years, but in a more manual way. So
and what I like about when you see that in a few slides, simple explanation, it makes it just even easier for consumers to order print. And I guess this was an example of flyer, but it could have been anything basically, right?
Yes.
Yeah. And I guess that is basically that when you talk about AI here, this is actually mainly for aligning data from whatever source you have to be sure that you get what you need for production, basically. Right?
It's the words of Freddie Peters. He's also here, by the way. There's no automation without information, and information at some point needs to become structured, needs to go into a database. Typically, we connect to an MIS to put in data, to store data, to get data out for production. So leveraging AI just to make unstructured data structured, that's both a delight for a customer and it's a delight for an operator for prepress. So.
been super great to just get a little insight into how you guys think, and I think I hope there will be a lot of people coming by and see and get inspiration
Yep.
because it's super cool. So
We hope so as well.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thanks, bud.